Baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff! Labrador!
A new maintenance technician at the amusement park. Part 1.
I need to find a job. There must be a job for a talented inventor like me. I'm sure to strike it rich with my inventions.
On one weekend morning, a strange noise broke the silence of a quiet street. It was a skinny weasel. He carried a tool bag draped across his body that clanged and banged. Huh? The weasel was none other than BeepBob. The very same BeepBob who had used drones to steal iron pots and spades as parts for his robot inventions. Oh, there's more. He was also the one who piloted a bat-shaped flying machine to rob young animals of their picnic food. After being released from prison, BeepBob the Weasel seemed to behave better and make good choices. Now, he was looking for a steady job, but...
It's hard to find a job. I've interviewed with a bunch of companies, but none of them needed an inventor. Upset, upset, upset! I am so upset!
BeepBob walked down the road with his head hung low, sighing.
Ouch!
Suddenly, he ran headfirst into something hard.
Why don't you watch where you're going? You nearly knocked me over!
BeepBob looked up and saw that he had crashed into a doorpost.
Why in the world would there be such a big doorpost here?
Oh, BeepBob looked forward and realized that somehow he had reached the entrance to an amusement park. The amusement park was bustling with visitors who were lined up waiting for the big rides, forming long queues. Trains on a roller coaster traveled along the tracks at high speeds, spinning and looping around and around as they glided through the sky. Cling-clang, lifelike carousel horses carried kids up and down, like a row of real-life horses galloping along the grasslands.
Fun! Fun! This is so much fun!
BeepBob watched with bated breath. A great idea suddenly popped into his head. He rushed into the amusement park with his puppy dog eyes and found the owner, Lyons the Lion.
Hello, Mr. Lyons. My name is BeepBob. I am the greatest inventor in Forestville, and I can design the most interesting rides for your amusement park. Would you consider hiring me as a ride inventor? I promise.
BeepBob talked to Mr. Lyons until his voice was tired and he couldn't talk anymore. But Mr. Lyons was completely satisfied and had great faith in his amusement park.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. BeepBob. We already have the most exciting rides, like our extra speedy coaster, dashing bumper cars, and fairy tale carousel. So I don't see the need to spend money on new rides.
BeepBob instantly deflated like an old tire at Lyons' rejection and was ready to turn and leave with a dejected look on his face. Seeing how upset BeepBob was, Lyons called to him.
Wait. We don't need a ride inventor, but you seem to know a lot about amusement park rides, and, well, we could use a maintenance technician now. Is that a job you would be interested in?
Huh? Be a maintenance technician? But my dream is to be an inventor.
BeepBob felt very reluctant to accept Lyons' offer, but then his eyes began to dance.
Yes, I'd like to give it a try, sir. Thank you, Mr. Lyons. You'll see, I'll get Lyons to ask me to invent a new ride. I'm gonna be the greatest inventor this amusement park has ever seen.